Ramadhan Nyondo Barongo, head teacher w'ishomero rya Kagadi Senior Secondary School, kandi umuringo ngogumwe or area supervisor w'ekitongore ky'ebyebuuzo mu ihanga ekya Uganda National Examinations Board yashobora ngo abeegi 32 abari mu ishomero eri abeegi 2000 nibo batandikiraho ab'enshuro ya kashatu ogu yayonzera yahamyangu abashomesa nkaaga nibo bahitsire aha mwanya.
Make an appeal to government to help in sensitizing the members of the community to always send their children early school so that they don't miss.
Muringo nugogume Nyondo yashobora ngo ishemereri n'uburirabe nirishomero rya government rikukiza y'abana umutangeti rinabashomesa 22 bonka abarukushashurwa government abashomesa 50 abari mu ishomero ndiyo rumwe.
Abana baingi abasomesa nabo baroha bakusobora baitu abakusinga bakusasurwa lokale basomesa bali government payroll bakumara
byo bikiriyaho Nyondo yayanangiza government ukurabiro ministry y'Obubyegyese ukutaho buriyo kurebekangu yashagika ishomero ryo rumwe nebyo kukozesa nk'ebyoma by'umza laboratory zemishomo ya science utiriho n'ebitabo ebyo kukozesa muri curriculum ensya amwe n'ebindi. Ishomereri erya Kagadi Senior Secondary School randikisa abana 5 okushitama senior ya kana umwaka ogo.
Classes twinaho taito twinaho some makeshifts where we are accommodating the learners. We are not keeping away abana baitu bona tukwalenga kubalinda kubara bayizira musomero baitu ebimuha bintu ebikuburaho nka enough computer rooms twine computer rooms zitakumara na computers zitakumara.
Mishaki witu yagambaho nabandi bebembezi b'amashomero agarumwa ga government amwe n'agabantu buntu agarumwe ya St Adolf SS Bunyoro SS Agape Learning Center Trustways School Kagadi Model Primary School kandi abanabo bashobora okwabana batandikira ombwinzi konka bagamba Oburemeezi butari bumwe na bumwe ubarukushanga mu mashomero gabo okukira munonga umukushomesa curriculum ensya.
This school is lacking a laboratory for ICT plus the ICT equipment.
The new secondary school curriculum, we have tight schedule. The program is tight. All days are counted and all the time we are giving activities of integration which are recorded and which are needed by UNEP. So we are making an appeal to government to provide the resources that they do give us in time.
Syllabus were completed early, last term, that is second term. At the moment, we are preparing them through revision, giving them a variety of papers, and that one will equip them to have exposure on different questions.
Kuraga gasha kwa Andrew Musinguzi aba Sky TV agenshonga muri Kagadi.